Okay, today we're going to see how to kill all the tasks, all the running scripts that Python has on the in the background for some reason, because we run them or it doesn't run well, so it's stuck. And we don't want to force closing with pressing a lot of time. So for example, in this script here, there is an error. So you see that Pygame, you cannot move you got to click many times, then close, then press this button, and then it takes some seconds and will go off. Instead, I made this thing. I've just I run this. If it's stuck, I go here and do kill, and so it's gone. Okay, to do this, you just have to, you can write manually test kill with 2k /em python.exe and then dash /force, and it's the same. And if you don't want to write every time this, you can go in the environmental variables, like here. Not from here, because you cannot modify from here. You get to go use something else. If I open like this, okay, now I can modify it. I don't know if you see it. Okay, I do. You see here, modify the environmental variable for the system or for the account. Let's try for the account. It's not working. Let's try for the system. And I think it's this one. Okay, for the system, you see here is a little different, this window, and here you can modify it. So you go and choose path, modify, and you get to choose one folder. For example, I use this G on my hard drive here, and this folder, my app_launcher. You just create a new one and write here G/my_app. Okay, your folder, anyone you can choose the one you want. So once you've done this, you are ready to put something into this file here. I put it into my app launcher. You see my app launcher, I got a lot of batch files, and so you go here and in the kill, you name one of these kill. Then you open it and write test kill /em python.exe/f, so that now you save it as a kill.bat file. See it here. So now when you, for example, in Sublime Text, if you installed Sublime, or you can just use the command line in whatever version you want, PowerShell, what you want, you just press kill and it will kill all the processes. In this case, there are no processes, so if you run this, for example, and it's stuck, you kill. You see here there is the icon here. If you go here and run this kill Okay, if you go here and kill it, you see that it vanished without having to click a lot of time on it to kill it. So it's very useful, and I wish I knew this before. And I use another program that had a little graphic user interface made with Simple Guy, I think that it was very useful, but this is, I want to just kill everything, and so this is good too. For the other one, I made a post that makes you choose which one to kill, etc. So that's it. Thank you, and see you next time.